Hello again. Today we're going to be graphing inequalities on a coordinate plane. So let's say I have x is greater than -2. Well, I'm going to go to my x-axis, which is the horizontal axis, and I'm going to find -2 on my x-axis, which would be right here. And that's actually going to be a vertical line. But notice that it is greater than. There's no line underneath it. So what that means is it's actually going to be a dotted line. Okay. So I'm going to make a dotted line here at x is -2. Now I need to figure out which side I'm going to shade. So it says that x is greater than -2. So all the numbers that are greater than -2 are on the right side of the dotted line. So I will shade the right side. And that's how you graph x is greater than -2 on a coordinate plane. Now I'm going to graph the inequality y is greater than or equal to 3. So I'm going to go to my y-axis, which is the vertical axis, and this is going to be +3 on the y-axis, which is going to be right there. And so notice that my inequality symbol is underlined. That means that the line is going to be solid. Okay, so I'm going to use my straight edge, and I'm going to draw a straight line, a straight horizontal line at y is 3. Okay, now I'm going to shade where y is greater than 3. So that'll be above my horizontal line. So everything above the horizontal line is a part of the solution. So this is how you graph the inequality y is greater than or equal to 3. So now I'm going to show you how to graph y is less than or equal to -1. So you'll notice here my inequality symbol is, my less than symbol is underlined, so it's going to be a solid line. So I'm going to draw a solid line at y is equal to -1. So my y-axis is my vertical axis, so I will go to -1 on my y-axis, and I'll make a point there. And then I'm going to get my straight edge because it's a solid line, and I'm going to draw a solid horizontal line at y is -1. And now because it's less than -1, I'm going to shade below the line to show that it's all solutions that are less than -1. And that is how you graph the inequality y is less than or equal to -1. So let's say I have the inequality x is less than 7, and I'm told to graph this inequality on a coordinate plane. So what I'll do is I will go to my x-axis, which will be my horizontal axis, and I will go to 7. And I'll make a point there. Now notice that my less than symbol is not underlined. So that means that it is going to be a dotted line. Now I want to shade wherever x is less than 7. So that'll be left of the dotted line. So I will shade on the left side here of the dotted line. And everywhere in the shaded area is a solution for this inequality. And that's how you graph the inequality x is less than 7.